Hey guys, welcome back. Thanks for tuning in. I am still down the industrial park and I have the Fimi Mini 3 SE. Now, I got to start the car, guys, just to keep the windows clear. But we're going to do same type of flight that we just done with the Potensic Atom. So let's start a screen recording. And we're in the Fimi app. Let's enter device. We have our FPV feed. We're short on, there we go. We just hit 18 satellites. We're going to check our options. Camera, we want high video quality. We're on 4K 30. We want H.265. It's been on H.264. Get that out of the way. H.265, there we go. And we're on video. Let's start recording. And auto take off. There we go. The visibility is quite low, guys, so I'm not going to go too far. Just as I done with the Potensic a few moments ago. Get my windshield clear there so I can see through it. And up we go. Actually, before I do so, I want to put it in sport mode. There we go. I had the Potensic up to about 40 meters. Let's see how much it takes before this one gets the high wind warning. I just got it now, 35 meters. Wow. Those birds going. So Potensic didn't give it to me until I was around 39, 40 meters. This one is getting it a little earlier. What is that? Okay. Let's see if we can head over a little bit here. My signal is down in the yellow. There we go. Just had to get the transmitter aimed out through the window here. Strong wind, fly with caution. I'm 39.8 meters. Sure, there's no traffic coming there. We're good that way. We should be good that way, yep. Let's go across. So the wind is blowing to my left, from the right to the left. Over this way a little bit. I don't want to go too far over though, guys, because you get closer to the water over near that hospital, and that's where the wind starts to get higher. This may be about far enough here. Still got full bars, full white bars. At least you can see, maybe we'll pull a zoom. Put on search and rescue. See if it's holding position first. Yeah, I think we're good there. Let's go into the little robot and turn on search and really up there. Search and rescue. There we go. And we'll zoom in. Not too far. Right about there. Taking them a long time to finish that hospital day, guys, but it's getting closer. Getting much closer to completion. There's a second building a little further up right there. Much smaller. One level. Zoom out. Oh, you know what? I forgot to start recording, so we'll start recording. There we go. And exit search and rescue mode. So at least we had the screen recording to log. Stop recording. Let's start recording. There we go. Maybe it's because I exited the search and rescue. Oh, I'm way down in the red. Back to yellow. Bring that drone back over here. Come back pretty quick. Get up a little higher here. That's 50 meters. The visibility is very, very low here, guys. That snow. You're lucky to see, like I can't see past that hospital. That's why I really didn't want to go any further than that too. Plus the wind. Strong wind, 5 of caution. So I'm not sure how long we've been filming because it stopped recording there on me twice. But we have the screen recording to go by anyway. It's just I can't tell while I'm sitting here how long we've been filming. I can now. It's been a minute and 20 seconds since I hit that record button again. There hasn't been an update on this drone in a while either. And that was the purpose to fly in the Potensic today, because that one had an update. I'm down to 64%, guys. I didn't charge this battery up before I left. I don't want to go too far over by the school because school was in. 63%. Didn't realize this battery was so low, or I would have put it on charge. Wow, it's having a hard time pushing that direction. Bring it down. I guess that's it. We are going to end it here because the wind is picking up higher. I'm having a hard time pushing in that direction towards the hospital, guys. It's like it's barely fighting it. So we are going to call it quits here and stop recording. Hope you guys enjoyed the short little flight. If you're new, you know the drill. I guess until the next one, guys, it might be a few days because the weather hasn't been permitting here lately. But next fine day, I will get out for sure. And until then, guys, peace, much love, and catch you later.